अभी कब आ गया? अभी चाय चाय बाकी है अभी
खाली लेके चले।
हाँ
वो भी है।
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here at my friend's village to attend Guru Ravidas Gurpurab. So this is the view outside the Gurudwara. So let us enter inside the Gurudwara. Guru Ravidas Gurpurab is a festival celebrating the birth anniversary of Guru Ravidas Ji. Guru Ravidas was a mystic poet saint of the Bhakti movement during the 14th to 15th century AD. Guru Ravidas Gurpurab is celebrated by reciting the Guru Granth Sahib for 3 days non-stop. And Langar is also served for 3 days non-stop, day and night. Hello. Now let's dive into the Langar experience. A typical Indian brown dal, a mixed sabji and a salad was served along with some sweet rice and rotis. Here, food is served to everyone regardless of any caste, religion or any background.
Later that
night, my friend led me to the winding village paths where every corner shimmered with lights and festive decorations. मईगा थालगा याम फजना मोई डेकोरेशन गा याम फजना तौरगा मोईगी खुंजीगी ओइना याम फजना पांगथोकपा दुगुंबा मई मखल अमने मोईगी खुंजी सिनबा थुंगना मोईगी लाइट थानबा मदि डेकोरेशन तौबा मयाम दो कोइना सिनना थुंग पुगी नुमितो बाजु याम फजै अदुगा मोइना याम चाउना सु पांगथोए
क्या बोलूं
वही जो तुम बता रहे थे As we walked, my friend suddenly lowered his voice and said a woman had died by suicide right there. I urged him to recount the story on camera, but he refused, as if speaking it aloud might summon her ghost. Siki mafamsida nupi ama suicide tawga sigi hai adugi wari libiu haibda maji kaidana wari libiu yadri manabje. This one is the larger Gurudwara, which is under repair. My friend told me that they have 2 Gurudwaras in their village. The previous one was a smaller one. Hui मैम जे खोंबदे लोर पोनीदा मोय लंबी जे हुई आतने मोय स्ट्रीट डॉग मैम जे The next day, as usual, we went to the Gurudwara to offer some prayers, and after that we went inside the Langar hall to enjoy some breakfast after receiving a sweet prasad. So many people, regardless of age, caste and groups, serves the Langar Seva voluntarily. Like these kids, they were serving some parathas, rotis and sabjis and all that. For breakfast, they served a paratha, some raitas and some achars.
और
In the afternoon, the youths from the village were busy making rangolis and painting different logos. They were also busy in decorating the streets with other decorative items.
पता नहीं किसने बनाया ये इनकी प्रमोशन कर रहे हैं मार्केट वाला
YouTube.
ये सही नहीं बनाया गलत बनाया
पता नहीं यार.
गलत है यहाँ ये पूरा
The youths of the village were busy decorating the streets of the village for a religious procession in the evening.
ये क्या लगा है
जी हाँ वेलकम
जी
वेलकम
वेलकम
जी हाँ
अच्छा
They put up this picture honoring those who volunteered in the Langar Seva and other community works. With the fall of ducks, they started lighting up the streets and there was a festive atmosphere. They began the fireworks and the Bhajans filled the air with peace and joy.
मैं हौजिकती अखोई कनो मोगी लाइसे गुरु रविदास से मोगी कांग चिंगबै टाइप मोगी खुन से सुमाइना कोइरगा चतौरि हौजिकते अदुना आदगी कनो साइजे ट्रॉली गुम साइ बो मोना सिजे मोय खुन से खुनो सिन खुनो बुदुनि हौजिकते अदुना मैम अखोई मतुनि गेदम अदु येंगिना जे मैम नुमित हुमनी तो सिगी कनो से मोई फेस्टिवल से दो अखंड पार्ट तो मोई फेस्टिवल से दो मोई नुमित खुदिंगी से लंगर तो दोने बा दो मुलक के याम येंगिना
They started the religious procession, which moreover represents the Rath Yatra. Guru Ravidas Ji's idol was carried in a chariot and it was followed up by the people of the village singing bhajans and dancing in honor of Guru Ravidas. Every year when the Nagar Kirtan passes through the streets, many families ask for the procession to stop at their homes. They want to do the bhajan and puja and welcome the Guru's palki with love. The Gurudwara committee chooses 3 or 4 houses each year where the procession will stop. It's a special moment for those families and a tradition everyone looks forward to. This was the first stop of the Nagar Kirtan. The crowd halted for a period and they all went inside the place to enjoy Langars and the Bhajans going on inside. This was the second stop of the day. As we didn't have our dinner, we were a bit hungry and we were waiting for the langar to be served.
सही है
Kang singbagi dumaina moigi lagi troli jisu chai khudingi moida haijarakpa haidi kachage kaina haijarakpa imungduda changa lagi thogol tawnaba haidi bhajan gumba saga adagi moigi chan thaknaba langar yelaga adumaina moigi puja tawbugi chanabido thengnare
This was the last stop of the day. We had some bread pakoras, a milk chai and winded up the day peacefully.
अभी कब आ गया अभी चाय बाकी है अभी
खाली लेके चले
हाँ अभी है
After having the langar, we felt a bit tired, so we went back to our friend's house to rest and thus winding up the day.
ये गौरव है और ये भी गौरव गौरव और गौरव के बीच बातें चल रहे हैं ये हमारा दोस्त है ये गौरव है और ये गौरव गौरव और गौरव के बीच बातें चल रही है अभी ये जोड़ी मिलती है
So as we wind up, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel and please do show some support and stay tuned for more videos.